A roast and a rabbit. You tell me, what's the difference?
Too many Americans see animals as nothing more than meat for them to eat.
Studies show that pigs have the same brain capacity as a 3-year-old child.
Animals are living creatures. They have thoughts, emotions, and creativity. Yet thousands upon thousands of animals are born, raised, and slaughtered carelessly every day. In certain slaughterhouses, an animal is killed every 3 seconds.
Unfortunately, the promises told by the slaughterhouse representatives have not been kept.
Many animals are killed slowly and suffering in a filthy environment. The only person that can make a difference is you by not supporting these slaughterhouses. I love all animals like I love my pets, and I'm not going to eat them.